Okay, so hi, I had to redo the sound test for my speaker because there was a claim on the music that I used, which is disappointing because, well, I love that song. But anyway, okay, so we're gonna use some royalty free music to test it out. So my S10 is connected to my speaker, and it's at the loudest volume. All right, so let me just play something. That was very loud, but it's got really good quality. Let's try another music. So yeah, the music is very clear. That's the loudest, I think. Or actually no, it's not. That's the that was the loudest. And, all right, that's it. I just wanted to give you a real sound test there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.